Look at these cars, boys. What's up? Do a wall tap. Hey yo YouTube, what's good? It's your boy Jaden back at again with another video. So in today's video we'll be going down to Eastern Creek for the Tune Twilight meet. I'm pretty excited for this meet because it's been a minute since they've hosted a meet with drifting and stuff. So I guess I'll see you guys there. Let's go. We made it, boys. Look at that Evo. WRX right here. Another WRX. Oof. Bro, look at that rotary. 86. And the new Supra. Celica. Sylvia. That one's clean. There's also drifting on tonight, boys, so we finna head down to this tunnel and peep all the drift cars. Yo. I can smell it already. Bro, look at that. Oh. Yo. That's so hot. It's the Hulk. That's Nathan's 86. Where is he? Look at that. That's tough. Look at this S2K. It's got a K20 in it. RB S15. And right next to it is an Evo. And then right next to it, it's a Supra. Damn. Look at this guy. Chewy! What's up?
First time meeting you. What the fuck?
Oh.
How's it going, bro? Hey, bro, Chewy. Alright.
What's happening?
Oh, ski pass, bro. It's pretty good.
Yeah?
First time.
Yo, what up? How you going, bro?
Subscribe to Jaden.
Hey, that's it, my man. Let's peep the drifting real quick. Sylvia's on the skid pan. Mr. Drifter.
Mr. Drifter.
There's a Sylvia's. Deji! What's up, brother? How you going?
Good. You captured the R34 blow up?
Nah.
Oh, you didn't capture it?
What was it on this track?
Bro, it's still in there. The motor literally blew up, bro. The motor passed all over the track. That's why we're doing this.
Yo! That's crazy. Alright, we're on the real track right now. We should see some real drifting. Heading back to the skid pan, boys, see if there's any good cars here. Yo. Listen to that, boys. Do a wall tap. Oofed. Wall tap again. He's going for it. Oh. He finally smashed his car and I missed it. Let's peep that damage though. That's Sylvia's again. Yo. Yo, what up, bro? Good, bro. How are you?
Yeah, I'm good.
How you going?
I like your content, bro.
Thanks, bro. Appreciate
No worries.
it. Alright, catch up. Yo. There's so many people here. It's like the car scene before COVID. Like, look at these cars, boys. Hey, bro. How are you, man?
Good. You vlog?
So, what's up to the vlog?
Hey, guys.
How's it going? Yes, sir.
I mean,
Yo. That's hot. Looks like a Lexus. The Yellow Canary, boys. Gotta love the Sylvias too. R32. Evo 08 Kami, that's hot. Look at that. That's what we love to see, boys. Look at that manifold. Look at that turbo. There's so many cars. Oh, it's a Holden Cruise. Look at the speakers in this. Oof.
that one, the red one.
Ooh. These MR2s. A Rexy. This one's big sex spec. Double fire extinguisher setup. And check out this engine bay though. Yo. It's a wide body R32. S14, S15, another one, and another one. Gotta love a good S chassis, boys, and there's 4 of them. I think the rule of car meets is you have to rock up fashionably late. Yo, look, the A86. Yo. That's what we like to see. This is the Initial D Dream right here. Oh, this is fat. That is so fat. More Sylvias. The Supra. It's probably one of the best meets I've been to in a while. That's the Dream right there, boys. Evo. Oh, Focus RS. You got a Type R. These i30Ns are pretty nice, but they get chopped by NA Sportivos. Yeah, this Chaser's straight from Japan. But I do love my Chasers, and this is one clean one. Look at the camber though. This guy's battery's gonna die. But here we have the P-plater section. Here we have the Sportivo gang. Mate, I think you left your windows down. GDI Golf. XR5. What's that? The White 03. Look at that dumpy. Let's get out of here, boys. It's getting kind of dark. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video if you stayed to the end. And also, huge shout out to everyone who came up to me and said what's up at the car meet. I actually really enjoyed it and plan to go to more car meets in the future. But that's all I have for today's video, so if you enjoyed, be sure to hit that like button, make sure you subscribe if you're new, and maybe leave a comment down below. Till next time guys, peace.
I'm sorry that I ain't do what I said I do. It's 30 minutes past 1 and I'm missing you, girl. I'm sorry I couldn't do what you want me to. It's 30 minutes past 1 and I'm with a new girl.